the London Bridge, and he couldn't believe the London Bridge was that boring. He's like, what about the other bridge on the other side? I'm like, that's St. Albert's Bridge, I think. One of them is called St. Albert's. It's actually such a beautiful day because the sun is setting. We're running late. We have like about an hour, and I wanted to make use of the time that we had right here. So we had plans to meet up with the girls later, but I figured an hour is decent enough to show him around London Bridge. You having fun, Sammy?
Yep. Perfect timing.
Sammy the pilot. Adam's asleep. Auntie Sabrina. It's about to get lit. So we just went on the London Eye and it was extremely crowded. I don't like doing touristy things, so I didn't enjoy it, but Adam did, and so did Sammy, which is good. So we're now gonna go and find some food to eat. I'm starving. It's so romantic here. As soon as we got off the London Eye, we walked right and we just kept walking, and you end up in this really like romantic trailway, and on the right of you is the Big Ben. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I didn't really have time to do my makeup today. I was just like, you know what, today's just gonna be one of those days. Such a nice day, such a peaceful day with peaceful people. Thank you. Frankie. Okay, so it's family day today. We forgot to bring a stroller. Actually, we didn't think we'd be walking quite a bit to the breakfast shop, so we didn't bring it, but now we're regretting it for sure. We're checking out this local coffee shop. We got really good reviews, and Amr can start work a little later today, so we figured we'd get some coffee.
Oh, it's windy.
Oh, it's chilly. Get some breakfast, check it out. I am so craving a coffee right now with some Egg Benedict. Sounds delicious. Scrumptious. Scrumptious. I'm always in sneakers and Amr is always in dressy shoes.
Yes, I have to go to work later.
Somewhere here, I'm just not sure where, to be honest. Do you ever look at someone and say, wow, they look like their breath smells?
I look at you like that every day.
I look at you like that. And we found it. So now we know to come here next time. Jeez, Amr, thanks for making us go in circles.
Wow,
Ooh,
look at you.
And then what you do is you just flatten it. Excuse me.
Go and play Felipe. Oh dear.
Oh, he's like, yes, yes. I've always wanted to feel the bow.
He's like mine.
What are you doing now?
I'm actually measuring how much space I have to organize to buy storage so I can organize all of this crap. Looks like a mess right now.
Yeah.
But I pretty much want to take all this stuff out and do shelving. I don't know how it got like this, by the way.
Look at.
I want to do shelving here.
Okay.
This stuff needs organizing as well. So.
Right.
And Medina got us this. Did you have a look at it?
Do you know how to use a tape measure?
I don't. But I see it on TV. And they do this, something like this.
Yeah.
90.
But then you have to do 3-star jobs.
97. 69. Watch out, Felipe.
That's John. That's John. You don't even know your cats.
Yeah, it's like a different form now.
Ooh. Too much, Baba. Everybody, so I need your help. I'm shopping for an office table and I didn't want anything bulky, but I really like how this looked. And it's proper wood. I think it's mango wood. And it has little storage. It's not too bulky, but I think it'll look really cute. What do you guys think? Yeah. And we have a office desk. We managed to fit it in the car. What we did is we brought the 2 back seats down and it just about fit. We're champs.
That's right.
I also got a pillow, some snacks, and I also got this really cool housekeeping.
Is that your snack?
Yeah, that's like my hidden snack thing, so no one eats all my snacks. So you could just put it in there on the bottom. But yeah, housekeep, so all the soaps and everything. So when I'm going into all the other bathrooms, I could just put all the detergent and everything in there and just carry it on up. And we're gonna have to find a way to screw this table into the ground so it doesn't tilt back.
Problem is it's tiled, so if you try to screw into tile, it'll crack.
Is there any way we can anchor it to the floor?
We'll figure it out.
But yeah, really happy about this. Hello! Hello. Say mama. Mama! Mommy! We are on our way to the city. Adam in his new little coat. How cute! I have a couple meetings today, so I'm gonna take you along my meetings. It's kind of like a day in the life of what I do. Amr takes the same train with me, but he gets off and goes to work, which is usually like right around where I have my meetings, so it works out perfect. We take the commute together, and we usually pick up a coffee. For those of you who are wondering, yes, Amr is shorter than me.
No, it's a seat. I'm just slouching so that he's more comfortable. That's what I'm doing.
Look who I ran into! Yes. And you have little Bubba with you and he's so delicious. Oh.
He's not. Wow, he's got blocked now.
Oh, he's so cute.
Mashallah.
Adam's asleep and I'm so relieved. I'm hoping he sleeps through the entire event. And also, when we have like joint events together, it's the best thing because we can catch up. It's like a 2-in-1.
I hope that we're sat next to each other. If we're not, we'll have to move them.
We'll just move it around. Oh, that is so cute!
We've got disco balls in the back of the booth
Oh,
as well.
really cool. How cool is this New York taxi? How did they even manage to get this here? So we are here at my first event today, and Adam is asleep. Woohoo!
Many of you know Maybelline is the #1 mascara brand in the UK.
So we just finished with Maybelline, and I'm running 5 minutes late to my next meeting. So I'm literally speed walking it to my next meeting. I'm so tired. But this is usually what I do and how I get my workout in. I power walk into everything. So it's come to the end of the day. A good catch up before Samia's bedtime, which is 6:30. So I met with Sasha, the beautiful, amazing, incredible mom Sasha. And Adu is beating me up. Did you have some coffee with mom? Is that why you have so much energy? You too. So we both had chicken. Adam had chicken for the first time today. You love it. Oh, she's so Say bye-bye. Thanks for following us around. Actually, it's not the end of the day yet. But it's almost bedtime for you. Oh, she's so cute. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye.